am I supposed to get the drill and the screw and everything? Why do I do this? I had good lighting. Trying to look for where the beams are. I don't have one of those fancy tools. $173.9. Now to put some paint on this, and while that's drying, I'm going to do the other side. Got the planks mounted, painted twice, so we're ready for the lights today. I think I'm going to start by just hanging them, and then we'll do all the electrics after that. I'm just gonna go ahead and put all the other ones up, and then we can get to connecting. We've got one of those on and off buttons over there coming down here, and then we have another one coming down here. And then we also have a wire going straight across the roof, just like that. I'm gonna run a hard line, what I like to call a hard line, like a hard cable like this one. Got a solid core, it's a pretty stiff wire. We're gonna run that along the roof, and then along the plank or piece of wood into the light. And then this one's gonna turn on this one, and that one. And the cable is just gonna run along the roof. I think that'll be fine. And then I'll just connect these together. It'll go over here, and then I'll do the same thing. So it'll go in, through to that one. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so I've just connected everything on this side right here. So now we're gonna turn on the power for the first time and see. I don't know if the switch is on or off, but here we go. Ooh, it's off. That's kind of fun. Alright. I don't know if it's this one or this one, but let's try L1. Nope. Alright, here we go, L2. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, finally we've got some light in here. Now it doesn't feel as bad anymore. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a lot better, I can tell already. This is definitely gonna be better. Time for the other side. Here we go. All right, so it's about 1,000 degrees in here. I'm sweating my ass off, but I'm very proud of the lights. I think it turned out very good. However, as you can see, there's an enormous amount of glare in the roof. However, I'm not too concerned with it because we're gonna have these sound deadening plates right in front of the lights. So it's not gonna glare that much. So overall, I'm pretty happy. Now we just need some light coming down, and that's in the next video, so stick around for that. Ha det gött! Hej!